Hello friends, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my channel. In this next tutorial we're going to make a delicious vegan babka. For those of you who don't know, babka, it's a sweet Jewish bread. It was absolutely delicious. You couldn't even tell it was vegan. I absolutely loved it. I'll definitely try and make it again. I hope you're gonna like the recipe and I hope you're gonna try and make it yourselves. And if you like the video and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And tap the little bell because that way you get notifications every week when we put the videos up. I hope you're staying safe. Until next time, go break a neck. So the ingredients for our vegan babka: 375 grams of white flour, and I'm going to use a bit of everything: mixed spice, nutmeg and cinnamon, like a teaspoon of each. Then 112 grams of almond butter, 165 milliliters of almond milk, coconut milk, soy milk, anything that is plant-based, 12 grams of dried yeast, pinch of salt, and 40 grams of sugar. After 5 minutes, the dough is ready, and we're gonna let it rise. Now, because it's very hot outside, I'm just gonna leave it in the kitchen. It's already warm. I'm gonna let it rise about 2-3 hours until it doubles in size. I'll see you after. Right, so it has doubled in size, and now we're going to make the babka. Get a baking tray ready, a loaf tin, and put some paper inside. Then we're going to tip it out. Put some flour. So grab it, put it in, and tuck those edges under in the tray. And we're going to let it rise one more time until again doubles in size. So see you in a bit. Blueberry jam, amazing. So it has risen again, doubled in size, and we're going to bake it now for 190 degrees for 15 minutes, and then turn it down to 170 degrees and leave it for another 30 minutes. And then of course, if a skewer inserted in the middle comes out clean, it's baked. See you when it comes out. So after 45 minutes, my babka's out, and I made a little syrup with sugar and water and brushed it on top just to give it a bit of a nice glare. It smells absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you're going to try and make it yourself, and take care for now. Until next time. Bye bye.